Okay guys, this is the part 2, why strong attached to Yahoo Messenger. Okay, part 2. As you can see, this one, this have a voice dominance. So for you to have a voice dominance in the room, just like Y Supra, and enable invite room to conference, you may check in disable bus if you don't want anyone who want to buzz you. Caps on text message here if you want to capitalize in a text message. And talk locker, it means when you step in the BC, it will automatically lock, just like Y Supra. Okay, a lock BC. Now in chat room here, block spamming, you must click block spamming, check show client. Okay, auto resize chat on max chat font, max, you may resize the chat point in here. I will put in 11, and about Y strong here. So you will have a voice dominance, and you will have a anti-boot program in your Yahoo Messenger. Even if you use Yahoo Messenger, you will not be booted out in the room. It depends when he's using a paid booter, and you will go out just like Y Supra. But if you booting Yahoo Messenger, you will be safe, because this is anti-boot program in a voice dominance. As you can see, voice dominance here, and click on save. As you can see, it turns blue. Y strong, that means you're connected in Yahoo Messenger. This tools is connected to your Yahoo Messenger. Now what you want to do is click hands free here and click on lock. As you can see, it's locked. There it goes. And as you can see, I do grab the BC. I'm using Yahoo Messenger, and I do grab the BC of something in the room. So this is how powerful it is, and this is how credible it is. Yahoo Messenger client, and you must attach Y strong voice dominance client in Yahoo Messenger. Okay, let's click on mute. When you attach Yahoo Y strong in Yahoo Messenger, you will have a anti-boot. Okay, no one will boot you in the room, even if you're using Yahoo Messenger. And if when you attach Y strong in Yahoo Messenger, you will have a voice dominance. This is how powerful it is. Okay, and you will have a caps lock, and you will have anti-spam, and you will have all anti-boot program in your Yahoo Messenger. Okay, so this is Unomas signing out in YouTube. Sorry guys, in Metro Manila Barkada 9, I do use your BC in your room. This is Unomas doing a tutorial in YouTube. So remember guys, you must first click Y strong and attach your Yahoo Messenger will automatically open. Okay, and even if you're using Yahoo Messenger, we will not be booted out in the room, and you will have a strong BC dominance, because this Y strong voice client and anti-boot program is attached to your Yahoo Messenger, so you will not be booted out in the room even if you're using Yahoo Messenger. So this is Sunuma signing out in YouTube, and I do hope guys you do like my tutorial. If you do like my tutorial, please subscribe in my YouTube video and click on like. And if you don't like my tutorial, click on like, because same goes there. I cannot please everybody, as I said always in my YouTube forum. So Unomas signing out in YouTube. I love you guys. Mwah mwah. Chup chup. And sayonara guys. Hope this tutorial will help you in the near future. So bye bye guys. Y strong attached to Yahoo Messenger, anti-boot and BC dominance tools. Okay, I will give you the link of these tools. If you do subscribe in my YouTube video, I will attach the link and copy paste it in your browser, and it will automatically take you to the link and download Y strong and attach it to your Yahoo Messenger. Just click on run, and will automatically attach to your Yahoo Messenger. Okay, this is way too good.